Okay, so just a quick disclaimer. Like, I don't know who said doing a shower routine, where hair washing routine in the shower was gonna be easy, but this was one of the hardest videos I've had to make. It was the water all over the place for me. Like, I'm not gonna get into it. I might answer some clips, but anyways, I pretty much don't do much of anything. I put like a few small things into my hair, but that's pretty much it. Like, I don't do more than that. It doesn't consist of too much because I'm trying to switch over into newer products. But first, sis, I have to use what I have because I'm not wasting my money, because y'all know that natural hair products are not cheap by no means. So anyway, enough of me talking. So I'm going to take this little turban looking thing off. I'm just going to kind of add some moisture back to the front of my hair real quick because I don't want it too dry. And y'all do not judge how my hair looks, because unless anybody's hair is just combed out, brushed out, it's not. Nobody's hair looks 100% beautiful once it's getting washed. So, and to be honest, my hair is kind of damaged right now. I wouldn't say damaged, but it just needs a trim. And one important fact that I will say, since being natural, girls, please, even if you're not natural, like, I heard you're supposed to start from the bottom and then work your way up, because if not, you're just like pretty much ripping your hair out of your scalp. So, which is crazy, because when I used to go get my hair done when I was little, that wasn't done. Which is why I think there should be more shops specialized in, you know, doing natural hair. I'm so excited because, as y'all can see, I have a lot of hair. It's just needs a good cut. So I probably, well, not probably, I'm gonna go get one soon. So I like to do the middle part, not too deep, but enough, like not too deep but deep enough. So I'm going to use the sweet almond milk and honey twisting butter, and pretty much with this I just focus it on my ends. Rake it through my hair, really. Like, again, like I said, my process is not long. And with this part, I just rather comb through with my hands because I just feel like it's a lot easier. And it's, to me, for me, it's like created less tension on my head. So I just use this technique. I prefer this technique instead. See, a lot of my hair has like heat damage because I just took a sew-in out not even 2 days ago. So, and I had leave out that I had to keep straightening, which is another reason I was just like, let me just go ahead and take this out, because I'm going to have a bunch of straight pieces of hair, even though it's very rare that I wear my curly hair at all, my natural curly hair. I'll just put it in a bun. But, and I'm using this True edge control. I got this from, well, I don't know if it's at any beauty supply, but I got this from my local beauty supply store. And I just like for my edges to be super duper smooth, like no joke. One thing I will say is sometimes it leaves a little bit of white plaque, and if you're not a fan of that, I would not recommend this to you. But once it does start forming plaque, I just take water and just try to pet it into my scalp, and you know, it'll take it away. To me, I just have to work it into my hair, and then it doesn't show much of a cast. And then I also use the Shannon Jam Edge Magic, which I got from a local beauty supply store as well. Because I have to lay my hair down. Again, I like wearing sleek buns. I just put it, I don't put it past halfway on my head. I just focus it mainly on the top areas, and that's pretty much it. Wait, now this clearly has to be meant for natural hair, because it's never left a white cast or anything. I'm gonna take a little bit of my peppermint growth oil, and I'm just gonna put this like in my scalp, certain areas that I feel need it. Ooh. And then I'm gonna take my comb again and just rake through everything. And try to make sure your hair stays stretched, because the more stretched out it is, the better the bun. Because then you're gripping more of your hair, if that makes sense. Like once your curls kind of like shrink back up, it's taken away from the length of the bun or the length of the ponytail, whichever one you prefer. Sometimes I do a ponytail, sometimes I do buns, but for the sake of this video and because it's late, I'm probably just gonna do a bun. I like to get super close to my edges, well, to my scalp and my edges, and brush. And I know some people are like, oh my god, you're not supposed to brush with hair, but I see people do all the time. Like, I don't know about y'all, but for my buns, I have to wet my hair, and using a comb is not going to make it neat, so I have to use a brush. And I don't do too much of a big swoop, because I just don't need that much hair touching my skin. And then I'm just gonna take this little elastic scrunchie. I think I got this from Claire's. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have to go grab my bobby pins, because I left them in the room. But this is pretty much it. To do my bun, I just take my hair and I will twist it around. I don't know if y'all can see, so let me turn around. I'm just taking 2 pieces and twisting it around. And then I just take it and wrap it around continuously, and then just stick bobby pins in it. So that's pretty much it. Let me go grab it real quick. So I just take the piece and wrap it around, and then I just stick my bobby pins into my hair, which is pretty much self-explanatory. I should have did a black scrunchie, because you can see the blue. But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. My little bun. This is much, like I said, it's not much to it, but yep, that's pretty much it. So